nation's nuclear watchdog, the IAEA, is set to hold a critical emergency meeting today. The International Atomic Energy Agency's chief has stated that they are currently unable to assess the full extent of the damage of Iran's Fordow facility following the recent strike. So now let's take a look at what the satellite images show. Now this is the Fordow nuclear facility, and remember, it's important to also note that these satellite images will not actually be able to capture the extent of the damage in this nuclear facility, mainly because this is a facility that is buried deep underground, about 250 to 300 feet below the ground, and it is protected by the mountains here. As we've been mentioning, it was known as the nuclear mountain of Iran because of how well hidden it was. So this is what you can see in the satellite imagery, the damage that has been done. In fact, the United States has also spoken about how the damage has been made to the entry points. But we will not be able to see in the satellite imagery the destruction completely, or the obliteration as the United States has called it, because of the fact that it is deep underground. So apart from satellite imagery, in fact, there will also be the officials who will have to reach there on the ground to actually assess correctly what the damage has been. We have, in fact, more breaking updates coming in. Let's get you the Natanz as well as Isfahan satellite imagery as well. So we just showed you what it was in the Fordow nuclear facility. That was the most critical one for Iran, buried deep inside the mountains. But let's also talk about the Natanz facility as well as Isfahan, being one of the bigger nuclear sites of Iran. Let's show you what these pictures look like before and after. These are from the Natanz nuclear site. So this is what it looked like before, and look at the damage that has been done. So Natanz is a nuclear facility that again has overground as well as underground facilities. So these have been struck by the United States. The satellite images appearing to show at least one crater at the Natanz nuclear enrichment site after the United States targeted the underground portion of the facility. So the underground portion of the facility has been targeted, and a hole of around 5 meters can be seen in these images that have been taken by Planet Labs and Maxar Technologies on Sunday after the United States strikes. Now this, what you can see here, this crater sits directly over the underground portion of the site, which includes the centrifuge halls as well. Iran has offered no assessment of how much damage has been done at the site. The previous Israeli strikes destroyed an above-ground centrifuge. Remember, Israel had the capability only to hit the sites that are above the ground. It was only the United States which had the capability to hit underground as well. So Israel had hit above ground centrifuge hall as well as all the power equipment at the site, likely cutting off the electrical supply completely. So the satellite imagery actually shows the damage that has been done. Let's also take a look at the Isfahan Nuclear Technology Center as well, again being captured by the Maxar Technologies. Also shows the surface level damage that has been done to the sites. Now look at the before and after pictures that shows the damage that has been done. Again, this is only the damage that you can see to the surface, and you can see a significant impact here. In fact, this may be the most significant look, a closer look at the damage that has been caused. But these are all the satellite images. Only a ground assessment will actually show the extent of damage that has been caused. With that, it's time for us to slip into a very quick break here. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back with the response that has come in from Russia.